You've likely noticed that the way we search for things online is shifting faster. People are now asking questions directly to AI and getting instant answers. Before we start, we want to thank Semrush for sponsoring this video. Because the landscape is changing, our approach to being seen has to change as well, and that's why you should use Semrush One. It's a specialized solution that gives you two powerful engines under one hood. On one side, you have the classic SEO toolkit that we've all relied on for years to handle keyword research and site health. On the other side, you now have the AI visibility toolkit, which is designed specifically to track how your brand appears in places like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google's AI overviews. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to navigate both of these toolkits so your business stays visible no matter where your audience is searching. Now that we understand what Semrush One actually is, let's look at how to get started with the SEO toolkit. Here, the first thing you want to do is look at the competitive research section. You can start with the domain overview tool. All you have to do is type in a competitor's URL and hit search. Right away, you'll see their organic traffic, how many backlinks they have, and which keywords are doing the heavy lifting for them. It gives you a bird's eye view of where they stand compared to you. From there, you can move into organic research to see the specific pages that are bringing them the most visitors. This is how you find out what kind of content is actually working in your niche. If you want to get even more specific, you should use the keyword gap tool. You put your domain in alongside a few competitors, and the tool shows you exactly which keywords they are ranking for that you are missing out on. It's like finding a path and has already been cleared for you. Similarly, the backlink gap tool shows you which websites are linking to your competitors but not to you, which gives you a ready-made list of outreach targets. Building on that competitive data, we need to talk about the actual keyword research tools. At first, start with the keyword overview tool. When you enter a term here, Semrush tells you how hard it will be to rank for it and how many people are searching for it every month. If that term looks promising, you then head over to the keyword magic tool. This is a massive database where you can filter for question-based keywords or long-tail phrases that are easier to win. It helps you build a huge list of potential topics very quickly. To keep all these ideas organized, you use the Keyword Strategy Builder. Now, this tool lets you group your keywords into clusters, which is very important because search engines now prefer sites that show deep expertise in a whole topic rather than just focusing on one or two isolated words. Moving forward, once you have your keywords, you need authority to back them up, and that brings us to the link building tools. In this phase, you should begin by using backlink analytics. And here's why. This tool lets you look deep into the plumbing of any website to see the quality of the sites pointing to them. You can see if their links are coming from high-quality news sites or just low-quality directories. Once you know what a good link looks like for your industry, you switch over to the link building tool. You enter the keywords you want to rank for, and Semrush generates a list of prospects for you. The best part is that you can manage your entire outreach right from this dashboard, from sending the initial email to tracking if or not you actually landed the link. It keeps a very complex process feeling very simple and organized. Okay, so while those are the main pillars, there is even more under the hood that we should acknowledge. Semrush also provides tools for on-page and tech SEO, which help you find broken links or slow-loading pages that might be frustrating your visitors. There are also content idea tools that suggest what you should write about next based on what is currently trending. All of these traditional tools ensure that when a person uses a standard search engine, your site is the one they find first. Now that you've got an idea about half of the Semrush One, let's jump into the next half, which is the AI visibility section. When you open the AI visibility toolkit, you are looking at how your brand is perceived by large language models rather than just search algorithms. You'll want to start with the AI analysis tools, specifically the visibility overview. This section gives you a score that shows how often your brand is mentioned when people ask AI tools about your industry. It's a new kind of metric for a new kind of search. After you see your overall standing, you can dive into competitor research and prompt research. In competitor research, you can see which of your rivals are being recommended by ChatGPT or Gemini as top choices. Prompt research is even more interesting because it shows you the specific types of questions or prompts people are using that lead to your brand or your competitors. It helps you understand the intent behind the conversation. Then you can move into the brand performance section to get a deeper look at your reputation. This area includes tools like brand performance, perception, and narrative drivers. Brand performance tracks your mentions over time across different AI platforms to see if you are gaining or losing ground. The perception tool is very important because it tells you the sentiment of the AI's response. Is the AI saying your product is affordable, or is it saying it's premium? Understanding this helps you see if your marketing message is actually being understood by the AI. Narrative drivers then show you which specific topics or keywords are causing the AI to talk about you in a certain way. If you find that people are asking a lot of questions that you haven't answered yet, you can use the questions tool to identify those gaps. It allows you to create content that directly answers the things AI is looking for when it tries to help a user. Finally, to finish the process, you need to use the Boost and Monitor tools to stay ahead of the curve. This starts with a specialized site audit that is tuned for AI. All you have to do is put your domain and start SEO audit. This is basically the AI search health check within the audit. It evaluates whether your site's data is structured for AI crawlers to interpret accurately. You also have prompt tracking, which is similar to rank tracking in SEO, but instead of tracking a keyword on Google, you're tracking how an AI's answer to a specific prompt changes over time. This is vital because AI responses are not static. They change as the models are updated. By following these steps in the AI Visibility Toolkit, you're essentially teaching the AI who you are and why it should recommend you to its users. Ultimately, the digital world is no longer just about ranking on page 1 of Google. It's about being the answer that an AI provides during a conversation. Semrush One gives you the tools to handle both the present and the future of search in one place. If you want to ensure your business stays relevant, we recommend setting up your first AI visibility project today. Go ahead and see where you stand. Check out the description for getting a 14-day free trial. Try it out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.